3 beautiful fairway lots, now available in historic Lewisburg, Tennessee. 45 minutes from Franklin, 60 minutes from downtown Nashville, 65 minutes to Huntsville, Alabama, 25 minutes to Spring Hill, and 30 minutes to Columbia. Each lot is completely developed with sewer, water, electric, telephone, cables stubbed into each lot. The community offers manicured yards with stylish lampposts and sidewalks for the walkers and joggers, plus underground utilities. Creekside is a single-family planned unit development located adjacent to Saddle Creek Golf Course. This 18-hole course is designed by award-winning architect Gene Bates, with gently rolling fairways on bentgrass greens. In addition to golf, the public clubhouse along with the restaurant are newly remodeled, and this year we've added a gourmet chef. Lots begin at $49.9. Some discounts are available for licensed general contractors. Realtors welcome. Builder and plans must be approved by the developer. 3 fairway lots remain. Golf packages available. Developer financing is also available.